Well, morning folks, Today I want to explain why I always recommend the package of combo, the combo package that you pay $100 or 1,350. I want to explain why do I always recommend that package. It's because the package gives you a lot of advantages. Yes, you are getting the robot, but at the same time, this is what you are getting. You are getting to join the group. As you can see, we share analysis in the group. We share so this you stand a great chance to grow as a trader, because this is a community of traders. We're sharing a lot of things here, analysis and mentorship. We mentor each other. We share entry points, and you can see a lot of things here that we share. We also share some rules, some trading systems on how to trade, and our share signals as well, as you can see. So that means that when we make money in the group, you are also making money. As you can see, $100 being grown to more than 1,000, more than 1,000 US dollars. As you can see, I'm not sure if it's focusing. As you can see, $150 grown to more than $1,000 in the group by one of my students there. As you can see, so guys, this is not like I don't want to succeed. I wanted to succeed. That's why I'm making this combo packages. As you can see, analysis, more analysis. As you can see, I wanted to see more analysis, more trades there. As you can see, you stand a great chance. You have the robot at the same time. You have the group, so you actually stand a great chance. Look at this, making money all the way, making money. Analysis, more mentorship and stuff. More analysis, more understanding, more money. So yeah, guys, that's about it. That is why I always recommend you guys to join the group. This because I know that in the group you will stay. Look at this. We share a lot of things about even news as well, even fundamentals. So yeah, guys, that is why I always recommend you to pick the combo package. This package, the 1,350 package or $100 package, because it gives you a lot of advantages. You will get the robot, you will get the Nas Killer Robot, and you also join the group. This group. You also join this group. So you'll be in a position to make a lot of money. Like we are making a lot of money every day in the group. So you will be part of the community, and you'll be making a lot of money as well. So it's a great thing, guys. You know, the one thing that I always make sure that people understand is that I'm here to help. The reason why I'm making all these things, you can see the robot is so cheap. It's not like all those robots out there that you can get for 10,000 rands or even for $1,000. No. Because I'm not after your money. I'm after helping people. If you can't see that, I mean, that's your loss. If you can't see that, that is your loss. My name is Clinton Malope, as you can see there. So guys, I am proud to announce that the combo package is still available, and it's gonna be available for the rest of the year, because guys, I want to help you make money. So here's the number that you can contact me on. This number, contact me on that number on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp only, guys. You can't call that number. You can't find that number anywhere else but on WhatsApp. This is because WhatsApp is more, I'm always hands-on on WhatsApp, so I'll always see your message. So yeah, text me to get immediate response, and let's make money together, guys. I mean, this is the world where we need to be holding each other by the hand and help each other all the way. So I'm happy to do that. Let's make the money, guys. Cheers. Take care for now. I will see you on the other side.